The name of that movie is Utthan. Utthan means upliftment. Upliftment of common people. Upliftment of human being.
This film that I'm just about finishing now is called Utthan. It's produced by Kumar Sanu, who's been known to us as a singer all these years, and it's being directed by a gentleman called Ujjwal Chatterjee. I would say it's a socio-political thriller.
Utthan basically आज का युवा यूथ का मूवी है जो हर मोड़ पे तरक्की करने चाहता है. उत्थान मीन्स अपलिफ्टमेंट. How they achieve their goal, how they fulfillment their desire. This is the story basically.
Film, as we know, the title is called Utthan, which in very simple words means upliftment. And we have shown these two characters where we have upliftment in both of them in two very different ways. One is, a physical, a material upliftment, whereas, where he or she grows in, more matter. And the other one is mental upliftment, where the other character grows again in matter but in a more substantial way, and it's a parallel growth in both the characters, but how we get to know that one is for the better and one is for the worse, and that's what the film is about. And it's interesting. It's a simple story. It involves a little bit of romance, a little bit of drama, and that's one of the reasons why I picked the script, because I was like, it's simple, it's interesting, it's not complicated, it's not a thriller, it's not a comedy, it's not things that you see nowadays. It's just simple, and that's what's the best part about it.
My character is that of a journalist who is also the owner of a channel and hosts talk shows about society, our socio-political system.
My character is somebody who's glamorous, but at the same time she's also somebody who isn't, who understands, you see her growth in the entire film, and she understands more and more as time passes by, and then she realizes what's good for her and what's really not good for her, and then she turns out to be a strong girl, and that's what it's all about.
इस फिल्म में मेरे साथ नेहा धूपिया हैं, जिनके साथ मैंने पहले बतौर मॉडल, बतौर एक्टर काम किया है.
I've worked with him for the second time, and it's very amusing to work with him because we end up getting these heavy scripts, but actually he's a lot of fun to work on camera, and on the sets, and he's just he's just a bag of laughs, and he's a cool guy, and I enjoy working with him. He's very, very talented as well.
I have known Neha for about 8-9 years now, because we modeled before, and she's a lovely girl, very pleasant, extremely cooperative, and she listens to the director and delivers what the director wants. So it's been really nice working with her. I think she deserves to go to places. दो लोगों की कहानी है. मेरा जो किरदार है प्रशांत भारती, और दूसरा किरण तलरेजा जो नेहा धूपिया प्ले कर. फिल्म का म्यूज़िक बिल्कुल फिल्म सेंट्रिक है और ज़्यादा गाने नहीं हैं, 3 ही गाने हैं. 2 गाने हैं जो रोमांटिक हैं और 1 गाना जो सैड सॉन्ग है. बहुत ही सिचुएशनल गाने हैं तीनों और बहुत ही अच्छे बने हैं.
I think so it's a basically situational song, whatever you heard it, whatever shot it. ये situational song depicts how that lady, Miss India, comes closer to Priyanshu.
The music of the movie is nice. It's not, that typical up. Like nowadays you get all these tunes which are very techno and very remix.
Let's hope for the best. Audience is the best judge.